lost in night, in the wood, shadows fight. Don't take gold, can't take flight. Power's gone, nothing's right. Cauldron cold, no more fire. Potions fail, dreams expire. Spirits whisper, call me liar. In the dark, lost desire. Purchase cry, echo loud. Through the fog, through the shroud. Mystic force, once so proud, now just whispers in the crowd.
Babaylan TV.
Hello Aquarius! Welcome po sa inyong reading. So this is for February the 8th to February the 14th reading. Para po sa mga bago, don't forget to click the subscribe button, smash the like button, comment below kung kayo po ay nakaka-resonate, and hit the notification bell. Kung gusto niyo pong sumali sa ating live sessions, dun po yan sa ating kabilang channel, that is Babaylan TV. No, yan po ang ating unang channel catered for our international audience. So nagla-live din po tayo doon, pwede kayong sumali, no? So Aquarius, I want you to know that this is a general reading. You may resonate with the entire reading or you may resonate with some bits and pieces of the reading. Take what's only yours. So bago tayo magsimula, meron na rin po tayong February the 8th to February the 14th reading doon sa Babaylan TV, no? So let's begin. So parang meron ditong humihingi ng tulong sa inyo. Whether it is family, friends, romantic partner, whether your ex, no? Especially your current person, katrabaho, no? I feel like ikaw lang kasi merong capability, no? Sometimes help doesn't always necessarily mean money. I'm not saying that this is always money. Money may also be involved for a few numbers of you, but sometimes moral, no? Moral support, no? And I feel like, say ikaw lang yung merong wisdom, no? Na, or pwedeng ikaw lang nakakaalam ng lihim. Kaya, I feel like, parang yun, siguro meron tayong mga, sa sobrang busy ng buhay, no? Nakakalagtaan natin itong mga bagay na ito. And for a few numbers of you, siguro, bakit ko naman tutulungan yung ex ko? No, ex ko na nga eh. No? Siguro we probably need to really remove the word ex as a person na lang, as a human, no? Let's say, wag naman siguro sa love life nila, ang kapal naman ng mukha, no? Syempre hindi naman yun. But I feel like merong taong kailangan, no, ng iyong wisdom. Be kind to the humanity na lang, no? Yun nga ang sabi, no, sa Bible. Be kind to your brothers and sisters. With the Star and the Six of Swords. So parang up until now, you still have the capability of doing this. Dali, ano lang natin. Yan. You still have the capability of doing this. You still have it, no? Kung ano man itong hinihingi, no, nitong person na ito, it might be talagang hingi, or it might really be you still have the wisdom, no? And things are gonna be okay kung ikaw mismo, sa'yo ito manggagaling, no? Sometimes we probably know that this person needs us, pero either tinatanggi lang natin or ayaw talaga natin kausap dahil mahirap silang kausap. With the 8 of Cups, siguro kasi nawala na rin itong connection natin. Pero at one point in time, alam nyo na somehow, nagkaroon tayo ng mahalaga itong tao ito para sa atin. Naging malapit siya, no? At kung titignan natin ang puso natin, kahit paano nagmarka naman itong taong ito, no? With the 5 of Swords. So, yeah, pwede nagkasakitan, may mga masasakit na salita. But I feel like when it comes to, you know, having this camaraderie, I think that it's very passionate. What I am also seeing in here is talagang walang ibang pwedeng makapag-resolba or walang ibang pwedeng makapagbigay ng linaw, no? Or makapagbigay ng warmth with the sun, no, sa kanya kung hindi ikaw lamang. Yes, siguro mahirap dahil once, you know, for once nasaktan tayo. siguro gawin na lang natin ito, yung sinasabi nga nating pamasahe, no? We are doing things dahil kailangan natin ng pamasahe, no? Right after our expiration dito sa mundong ibabaw, no? Siguro kapag nagkaroon ng bilangan, kung meron man, no? Meron kang nagawang tama, meron kang nagawang buti nang wala kang ine-expect. With the 10 of Swords and the 7 of Pentacles, I feel like siguro ngayon, meron kang hint na kailangan ka, pero gusto mo, inaantay mo na sila mismo ang magsabi, no? Kumbaga, ayoko magkusa, baka rin naman kasi sabihin bida-bida, no? Meron na nga kaming meron na nga kaming issue tapos lalapit pa ako, ano magbibida-bida ako. That's understandable. Pero for those of you na siguro meron tayong kakayahan na para kumbinsihin, no, na sometimes mataas din ang ego, you have to be the bigger person na lang. Kasi at the end of the day, no, ang main goal natin is makatulong with the 9 of Wands and the Lovers. And I feel like kung hindi man ito, especially doon sa mga walang labels, no, I think that this will open the doorway for the both of you to sabihin nating maayos kung ano ito magulo, baka situationship lang ito meron na ito. Of course, as pagtanaw ng utang na loob, hindi dahil tumatanaw lang ng utang na loob, 'di ba? Siguro kasi dito madadagdagan itong paghanga, the emotions per se, no? But with the 4 of Cups, ang sa'yo naman kasi, sige wag mo na bayaran, no? Ang sa akin lang talaga is mapabuti ka. With the 9 of Cups, kaya ayaw mo o hindi, I feel like meron ka rin mga nagawang tama dito sa taong to. I think that this person is really far from you right now. There may be no communications at all. Pero naiisip ka niya. And I feel like kung nagawan mo man to ng mabuti na or tapos na yung tulong na binigay mo, I feel like ito naman yung pagganti, no? Pagganti sa mabuting paraan dahil naiangat mo sila doon sa mga sitwasyon na kung saan tight sila, no? With the Fool card and the King of Cups. Kung hindi man ito sabihin nating taong expressive, I feel like magkakaroon, no, ng expressions of love, expressions of appreciation, no? And with the King of Cups in here, parang may marami ko mga matagal na hindi sinasabi, ngayon ko lang sasabihin. For a few numbers of you, baka nga magkaroon ito ng mga drunk text, drunk messages, no? With the Hierophant, I feel like this is also ang simula, no? The Hierophant in here, ito ang simula ng inyong sabihin natin, kung hindi man ipagpapatuloy ang dating nakapause, no, na relationship, whatever relationship would this be, at least starting from the scratch, no? Para magiging, let's be civil again, no? And the justice. So, kung meron man itong mga nagawa talaga, isa itong tatalawin na napakalaking utang na loob at hindi nagagawin, no? Kung wala naman itong nagawa sa inyo ng kasalanan, I feel like dahil sa inyong kabutihang loob, kababaang loob, no? Pagiging tao, no? I feel like this person's going to give you something that's really reward, no? Ganun naman talaga, no? Recognition, rewards, ganyan. Ito yata ang magiging simula, no, ng isang magandang pagsasamang muli, no, ng nitong person na ito. Let's get some more cards, Aquarius. Gusto ko lang pong ipaalala na doon po sa ating kabilang channel, Babaylan TV, nagla-live po tayo, ha? Pwede kayong magtanong doon. So kung hindi nyo po maabutan, pwede naman kayo magtanong dito sa ating comment section as long as the question po is answerable by yes or no. Alright? So Aquarius, Kung wala po dito ang inyong reading, baka nandun po, no, sa Babaylan TV. Nandun na rin po yung February the 8 to February the 14th. Ayan. Kung hindi po kayo masasatisfy sa yes or no na sagot, dumiretso na po kayo dun sa ating website. Sa website po, nandun po yung link sa description box. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung question form, the name, amount per question, number, QR code for your reference. Ayan. You may also want to take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi nga po discounted yon. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. So Aquarius, skull. So I think that it requires some protections. It requires some set of someone to hold on to, no? I think that these are the structures wherein siguro ito yung ikaw ang pinaka-base, no, ng kanilang structure. Ikaw ang, kumbaga, one of those solid, no, na pinaghuhugutan ng kanilang buong pagkatao. Kasi skull also represents the knowledge, no? Kaya nga meron tayong mga crystal skulls, ganyan. So let's get, sa'yo lang makikita yon, no? Yung knowledge. Let's get some message from the universe. Sit in silence for a moment and listen. The answers you have been seeking are finally coming to you. Truly trust and believe that you are going to make it and be exactly where you need to be. We are on this journey with you. Hang in there. It's not much longer. So, it felt like kung hindi man, kung baga meron tayong mga prayers about our manifestations, I think that this is also one of the pamasahes to make it, kasi di ba, sabi nga karma. So, whatever it is that you emitted to the universe, it will comes back to you. So, if you do something good, then do comes back to you sometimes tenfolds, no? So, I think that sinabi nga dito that the universe are watching you, no? And I believe that they're telling you na be a person who, since you have the ability, help them, and I think that you will be rewarded. Now, let's check the zodiac sign of these people or person. No? This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. I'm seeing Libra, Taurus, Pisces, Leo, Aries, Gemini, Aquarius, Cancer. Did I just said Sagittarius? Yes. Virgo, baka kapo Aquarius then, no? Leo, yep. So this is your reading. Love and light to you. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.